Hi, I upgrade my vacuum scrubber reactor. I use the glass filters for vacuum filtration of gold, palladium, and platinum water-soluble salts, and any other water-soluble salts. Today I show how I made my gas scrubber system. It is very simple and cheap materials used. First you need plastic vacuum aspirator and any plastic water pump. I use Fuji Photolab chemical pump. But if you want use aquarium pumps, it's very best choice. This is gas washer bottle. Bubbler. It contains sodium hydroxide for gas neutralization, or just water to make acid for future works. Thanks for watching.